Um, Good morning. It is exactly 10:32 a.m. here in Nigeria. So I wanted to continue with the BTC update. I've not been available for some days, and so like I promised, I will continue to do daily update. So let's dive right straight into the chat. So if you watched the previous video I did last week on this current BTC trend, we talked more about the bounce here and a push higher. But another thing again is we're looking at different resistance around here, and the first resistance, which was previous previous support, was around here and here. So let me draw this out so that you guys will see it clearly. So I'm going to use this geometric shape. So we're looking at this before, and as you can see, price is way above it. Price is way above it here. So what should we be expecting? And we should be very careful around here. So I want to point out this most important resistance, which is around here. um, we're looking at this major resistance around here. um, so let me see if I can make this red. So we're looking at this major resistance here. It's very very important we don't joke with this. It's something that I call it a psychological level. Why? Because everyone that actually shorted the market here has that previous mindset that when price gets close to this place, they should be ready to adjust their stop loss or get ready to short. And in all, we're still looking at this massive double bottom, and this double bottom is called okay, it's a pointed bottom, and this is also a pointed bottom. I talked about this in my previous video. If you've not watched that, you can do it to go back and look at that again. And since we're waiting for the CPI news, we should be very careful of what we do around here. The price is still majorly around here, so we should be very careful of what we do around here. And another thing again is, just because I'm saying it's a double bottom doesn't mean that this would not later turn to a big consolidation zone where we have the supply and the demand zone. So it is very very important we don't misuse that opportunity. Only when we would say this is a valid double bottom is when, let me expand this first to explain this very well. So when we call this a valid double bottom is when the body of this candlestick closes above this level. We want the body of the candlestick to close here for us to confirm that this is a valid double bottom chart pattern. So for now, I want to see if price would actually come in. Let me remove this mistake. I want to see if price would actually stay above this level. Very very important level. If it stays above this level, we should be aiming at this level here. So we should be aiming at this level here, and here too as well. So it's very important. It could just push back down this way, but I cannot see because I cannot predict the market. No one sees the future. So one of the most important thing I do is look for support, look for resistance. Those are where price love to move directly towards. So we'll pay attention to these two levels and we'll see what will happen next. I think that will be all. I'll continue to do this short update, and make sure you guys are updated on what I do. Just do all to follow me on YouTube. You would get this notification whenever I drop any any new video, as I will always do maybe twice, once every 2 days, so so keep in mind that everything and anything I share here is not intended as financial advice. Okay, so guys, stay safe and happy trading.